If your image is sideways when you upload it into your website, right-click the image, copy the image, go down to your Paint, down to your main menu and go to Paint. Then press Ctrl-V to paste the image. Go ahead and rotate your image. Once you do that, then choose to crop your image down. Then when you go to save it, you choose Save As and choose either a JPEG or PNG, one of the picture files. Then name it. Press Save. Go back to your website. Click to edit the picture. I'm going to choose my location, choose my file. Now it's the correct way. I can change the height here if I want to. Insert image. Save it. And I can hit this button right here to preview it. And there it is. Now it's the correct way. It's that simple. Let me know if you have any questions.